Hi guys, this is the iFi audio Zen Air DAC, 100 euros product, big box. It looks more expensive, but it's very low priced. Headphone amplifier included, X bass plus to enhance your bass, match power there to match the power with your headphones, and is a DAC converter. Let's open the box. So this is the product. It looks like the Zen DAC, but this is with plastic case around. It has an output there, analog output, and input is the digital input here, USB DAC to connect your PC here, M2A compatible. In the box we receive also two cables, one to connect your laptop. See here, very high quality cable. And this end goes to laptop. And then we have another cable that we can put a charger here from our smartphone charger or whatever charger that we have, 5 volts. And this is the barrel terminal in order to provide power. It's nice, it's not expensive, it has a Bird Brown chipset inside. You can drive power and data from this input here, the USB one. But if you like to upgrade the sound, you can use an external DC 5 volts and connect this to a silent power system in order to have better audio performance. But it works like this. So since it works like this, you can use it with your smartphone as well. Let's remove the protection of the front face. And this is the iFi Audio Zen Air DAC. Plays DTS, plays PCM, plays everything, M2A, plays whatever you have on your laptop or whatever you stream. So that's all folks, thanks for watching.